a few of you had questions on graphing logarithms. So let's take a look at the review sheet number 37. So the logarithm you're taking is log base 10. So first, you want to think about the original equation 10 to the x. So 0, let's do -1. -1, 0, and 1. So 1/10, 1, and 10. In red, there is the graph of 10 to the x. The graph log base 10 of x is the inverse of 10 to the x. So those three points will all be swapped. So 1/10, -1, 1, 0, 10, 1. In blue is the graph of log base 10 of x. Notice there's a vertical asymptote at the y-axis. So the asymptote for this one is x equals 0. In our equation for number 37, right here, we have two things going on. We have a -1 on the outside and +5. The -1 on the outside is changing the y values of your logarithm graph. So those y values are being multiplied by -1, so it is a reflection across the x-axis. So in green is the graph of negative log base 10 of x. Notice your x-intercept stayed, and now your two other values swapped, so it's 1/10, +1, and 10, -1. Last step is +5 on the outside, so that graph is moving up 5 units. So each of these 3 points, 1, 2, 3, are going up 5 points. So 1/10, 6, 1, 0 now becomes 1, 5. 10, -1 now becomes 10, 4. So purple is the final graph. Notice your vertical asymptote is still x equals 0. The asymptote changes if you have log base 10 of something else being added or subtracted to your x value. If it's +1, then your asymptote will go to the left 1 and be x equals -1. If that is x minus 5, then it's going to the right 5, and your asymptote will be at x equals 5. Hopefully this helps you guys graphing logarithm equations. Let me know if you have more questions.